Hey YouTube, this is Jared with Omnivore Blade Works. I'm going to show you the new sheath for the Jackal Tomahawk. It starts with a trim jig so that I can lay this out on some kydex and cut out a blank piece that's flat. And then I mold it with one of two sides of this shaped sheath. This has a front spacer and a top rear spacer, so that way you've got hard stop between pulling it out and or shoving it up through the kydex and through the rivets, so that way it's it's pretty much jump proof. If you fell on the handle, it wouldn't come through and kill you. The sheath itself, when it's finished, looks like this. All the first ones are going to have both sides with these standoff areas so that I can mount malice clips to either side. This would be set up for carry on the right hip with the beard, with the axe edge facing forwards, like so. And then in order to mount or install the tomahawk into the sheath, you just put the beard in all the way forward into the crook of the spacer, cam it forward, and now it's locked. It's pretty secure, just like this, but I also have a quick release pin that goes in this hole, and you got to make sure that it's all the way in there and tight up against the top spacer so that you don't get too much of an interference fit in here. And that's just going to be standard. This one's the first one. I went ahead and drilled both of these holes so I could mount malice clips, but then I realized that this rear hole is a little bit close, so you can't really mount a pouch there anyway. So it'll be the malice clip on the front side will be optional. So I'll probably just try to have you specify left hand, right hand, and then we'll just leave the holes off for these first ones, and then we could specify a smooth face, because I can just pop these spacers off and just use them on one side. Also, I'm working on sheath parts for the full-size tomahawks on my kydex press. Here's the left side for the full size, the right side jig. I've got this many pieces molded so far. I've got to make some spacers, and then all these pieces are going to get trimmed, and then I got to cut the slots, drill all holes, and then they'll be ready to assemble. This is my kydex press. It's pneumatic. I'll show this in action some other time. That's all I have for you today. Look forward to getting some things done. I'm going to be molding more sheaths this week, making lots of more sheets, parks, and also doing some cerakoting. So hopefully get some things shipped out this week, and be calling some of you who are watching this video. Alright, see you next time.